Doing my mini PechaKucha on smart growth. Smart growth is an urban planning and transportation theory that combats urban sprawl. It concentrates growth in compact urban centers and utilizes walkable, bikeable land use infrastructure. It also promotes mixed-use development, integrating homes in the same area as schools and stores. Urban sprawl is the spreading outwards of a city to its outskirts to low-density and automobile-dependent development. It occurs on rural land and has high segregation of uses. Residential areas are spread away from stores, creating a disconnect between people and the places they want to be. Urban sprawl's auto-dependent way of living emits harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, creating respiratory health problems in citizens and increasing the number of traffic fatalities. Citizens spend a large amount of their money on pricey gasoline to fuel their vehicles. There is a disconnect in the community and traffic is extremely frustrating. Smart growth practices reduce environmental impacts of development. Smart growth utilizes techniques that include compact development, reduced impervious surfaces, and improved water detention, and safeguarding of environmentally sensitive areas, as well as the mixing of land uses, transit accessibility, and better pedestrian and bicycle amenities. Smart growth also promotes a better sense of community by encouraging communities to craft a vision and set standards for development that respect community values and expand choices in housing and transportation. Using natural and man-made boundaries and landmarks to define neighborhoods creates a distinctive and beautiful place. Smart growth fosters connections between members of a community. There are many benefits to a walkable and bikeable infrastructure in a community. First, it is environmentally friendly in that it creates zero carbon emissions. Pedestrian-friendly infrastructure is cost-effective and saves gas money. Also, maddening traffic jams can be avoided. This infrastructure promotes a better sense of community and enables citizens to interact more with one another. Here are two pictures to display the difference between smart growth and urban sprawl. The top photo represents a smart growth community. You can see mixed-use development, like stores built in the same area as residential housing. There are pedestrian-friendly sidewalks. The bottom photo shows a community experiencing urban sprawl. Obviously, you would have to drive anywhere you wanted to go from your home. Arlington, Virginia is a good example of a smart growth area. It has been recognized for its early and innovative approach to smart growth, mainly due to the Washington area metro transit system. In addition to transit-oriented development, Arlington has multiple transit options for its citizens to use, enabling them to reduce their own carbon footprint. It has been deemed as a model of smart growth by the Smart Growth Network. Arlingtonians benefit from smart growth in their area through the aspects of quality of life, design, economics, environment, health, housing, and transportation. These aspects are extremely important to everyday life and they provide citizens with the tools they need to live happy and healthy lives. Smart growth has made a change in their community that has given them a multitude of positive benefits. The future of the planet depends on the implementation of sustainable practices like smart growth. With the population growth we are experiencing, urban sprawl cannot realistically continue. Smart growth would alleviate the negative effects of all these problems while promoting a better sense of community among citizens. Smart growth offers feasible solutions to some of the worst problems we are experiencing today.